Hey, if you've got a Nikon ZFC, then you might have purchased it with this fantastic 50 to 250mm lens, but there is something weird about it. Have a listen. You might think there's something wrong with it. It sounds like a loose element, doesn't it? But actually, it's just the vibration reduction system, perfectly normal, and it's what helps you get shots like this and like this. Both these images were shot on a ZFC with that lens. So remember, when you buy it and it rattles like this, don't send it back. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just the vibration reduction system.